Good morning, everyone. Well, welcome back. Today it's Friday, May 17. You're watching Daily Crypto Plan live stream. And I think the best for us is to start with Bitcoin on daily. Yeah, as you can see, we are in the middle of the range again from yesterday, 2 days ago even. Morning, Stefan. And close to short reload zone if we take the all-time high here. We didn't touch that level. If we take the other high, okay, we have a 61.8. Yesterday we had a red candle, but not too many things to do here. You can see in the middle of the range, usually you have small volatility, and all of the sudden you'll get an exponential one. You'll get big candles. Not the best location for us. We have kind of a we are trying to accept above 67. If we'll accept above that level, then we'll have we can think, okay, we can push higher here in the top. I don't know if on daily basis we'll accept above 67. My feeling is that we'll push to that level just to take some liquidity, and then maybe we can reject. But anyway, in the middle of the range, not the best location for us to trade. So on higher time frame, not too many things to do. I have my classic short setups, 61.8, 78.6 SFU setup here, and I'll play my setups because I'm thinking range here, and I'll play my range game. But overall, ugly environment for crypto, at least on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin dominance is going up. Not too many people are still profitable trading these days. So that's daily. I'll go on 4-hour chart. Let's see what we have. Same kind of thinking. Here we can think uptrend channel on 4-hour chart. Well, a lot of people will say, well, you are thinking uptrend channel, that means we can go higher. Yeah, market could do whatever he wants. So uptrend channel will be something like this. Yeah, this will be the channel here, and you can see, yeah, we can play around here. I'm forced by my plan to play the short setups. Yeah, I'll try to compensate and maybe find some longs. If I'll find a long, why not? For the moment, you can see even in the channel, in this channel I draw here, we are in the middle of it, and we have kind of a EM here, a breakdown. Not the best environment. Looking left, you can see in the same area we had an EM, and we are retesting that level. Indeed, we have some liquidity here, 67,200 on spot on Binance. But if we'll take the liquidity here and maybe a bit higher, we have another 0.68. I think we can reject from that level and push back down. How low? We'll see. What I don't like on a higher time frame, 4-hour chart and higher, is that the market is not respecting the 61.8 anymore. I said it yesterday in the New York session. When I see repeatedly that the market is not respecting the FIB levels anymore, well, that usually means we need a reset. And a reset means a big candle, either a dark maul up and down, either a big drop or a big pump, something unusual, something to reset the chart. Let's wait for that. What that could be Sunday, because in the weekend all the markets are closed besides crypto, and Powell will speak Sunday. So if Powell will say something ugly or something special, the impact will be 100% on crypto until Monday morning when the market will open. Well, it's a long time. People or investors or traders have time to think about it. But crypto, it's the reaction thing. If they want to sell, they could sell crypto. If they want to buy, they could buy only crypto. So watch out Sunday, because could be something different this time for a weekend. So I'll play my short setups here, and I'll try to scalp long if I'll find the opportunity. If I'll find something to scalp, I'll do it. That's Bitcoin. I'll just leave this one here. I don't want to see it on daily, so hide it on daily. I don't want to see it on minutes, but on hours, why not? I'll keep this uptrend channel. Let's see what will happen. Now, Ethereum, a lot weaker than Bitcoin, as you can see. Still in the downtrend channel. We didn't manage to even test this high. Not to talk about the short reload zone. We emmed out and back down here. I said, well, if we'll get a test, we'll get a W in the long reload zone, why not? Well, I don't know if we'll have a W here, but you can see we tested the 61.8. For the moment, I don't see a setup here. I don't like the location. If we'll dump again, and we'll dump a little bit stronger in the long reload zone, maybe I could think about a long. But overall, a lot weaker than Bitcoin. That tells me that altcoins, they are not happy. Bitcoin dominance. Well, on Bitcoin dominance, we need to go back on daily. We'll see it a bit better. And yesterday was a zero candle, was an indecision candle. And seems like today we are pushing higher. Well, that's a strong sign for a chart. When you see an indecision candle and you see it testing the highs after that, taking this high, that means probably once higher. I said that I want to think altcoin season if I'll see here in this area and the short reload zone, if I could see a nice yam, that will make me change my opinion. For the moment, Bitcoin dominance is strong and really strong. So Ken will be happy. I know he wants Bitcoin dominance at 60 and even higher. That will be like a reset for entire crypto space. Seeing Bitcoin dominance at 60, maybe even higher. That will reset and will tell me that, well, we can get, after that, we can get the exponential move to the upside. Until then, I don't think so. So when I'm here, maybe 12 hours, I don't think a 4-hour EM will be good enough, but for a trader, a sharp one I think could be. We don't have an EM yet. We can form one here, but we are in the short reload zone at least. At least we have something to watch. We have a location. On higher time frame looks strong. Let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin, but we need daily. Well, not too many things we can say about this one. It's just bleeding down into 61.8, respecting the downtrend channel and trying to tag the third time the megaphone. Let's see what will happen. It's slowly bleeding down. DXY, well, DXY completed this AB equals CD, was on the top of the range, and you can see emmed out, and now it's starting to form a downtrend channel. How low? Well, like I said yesterday, 103.5, I think it's a good level to watch. So I love that DXY is staying here between 107 and 100. 7 points, full points is more than enough to play around. Okay, let's see Bitcoin on weekly chart. That's pretty easy for me to do an overview. Looking at the same levels, well, I like what I see here on weekly. I don't know how the market will close, but on weekly, I love this candle. We took this high from last week. We had a red week and we took the high. That's good. That means we'll leave the range? No. But at least the chances, at least how I see the chart now, the chances to break 60k, they are lower now. I don't know what will happen, but at least we are back in the middle of the range and we accepted above this the last week high. That's good. And we have kind of a bullish divergence trying to form here. It's not confirmed yet. We need this candle to close, but if we close like this, we have a bullish divergence on OBV. That's strong. That's really strong. For the moment, we are forced to think range. At least I am forced to think range. Nothing special. I'm not thinking, well, we'll go to 80k, triangle breakout, 100k. Nah, I don't know about that. I'm happy that the market is going sideways. Even if the market will go sideways, we can still get some dumps on altcoins and get some fill. So I'm okay with that. Getting me more altcoins, cheap altcoins, it's what I want for this year. Total Tio, well, a bit weaker than Bitcoin, like we said the entire week. It's weaker. Let's see how the candle will close. Monday morning we'll have the last candle close, and we can go one step further. Maybe we can see something different. Let's see what will happen with this one. This OBV bullish divergence could be something. Could be something nice. We'll see. Well, that's the overview. On day trading part, it's ugly to trade. You'll see why. Altcoins are bleeding. Bitcoin, it's in the middle of nowhere. People don't have patience and they'll break their accounts or they'll lose some money. Okay, so you can see we have this one in the market. We discussed it yesterday. Everyone was bullish. Well, it's pumping, it's pumping. Well, it's pumping. I'm out. Back at the entry. We'll go sideways. We'll push higher and take my take profit. I don't know. I have the trade in the market. Nothing I can do. This one, same idea. W, breakout, retest. Will hold? Well, we don't know. We have everything we need for this one. But if Bitcoin will push higher, then okay. But if Bitcoin will break back down, well, will stop us out. And we have Aevo, same kind of thinking. This one, it's a bit weaker. Feels like will fail. Will fail or not, it's not up to us. It's up to the market. Now, we'll start with Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, we don't have anything special for our chart. Not even on 1 hour chart. So the best thing we can do is to just try to scalp on 5-50 minute chart. Find some location, and we can find the location here. It's not hard for a day trader to find the location. You take the high, you take the low, and you can see you are reaching back to the short reload zone here. Now, okay, extend right. And you can see for a day trader, for a scalper, you can find the location here. And retesting this candle, nothing unusual, hunting on 50 minute chart, maybe lower, a 3-bar fractal or something, or even playing the mountain man or the shark, not a bad idea. Then live with the results. Ethereum, same kind of thinking. I don't like the fact that we just bounced above 61.8. We touched 69 and we bounced, but we are trying to make a W here. If you are not convinced and you think, well, maybe it's not the best thing I can do, well, wait for a W the other side of the trend line. That will put you in the weekend. For today, well, it's risky to take a trade on Ethereum there. It's just above 61.8. Well, okay, we are in a bigger long reload zone, but for a scalper, for a day trader, I don't know if it's the best solution. Solana, well, Solana is strong. At least Solana, it's strong. And I could see an AB equals CD from now on, but it's a bit too late. We need a retracement now to think bot setup here. So, if you want to think bot setup, you should take this, and let's put a bot. Well, barely 33%. So, not even that. To buy, to try a breakout here, I don't think it's a good solution for us. I prefer to think fake out. So an SFU setup here could work. Bot setup, it's a bit too aggressive. Let's just frame it. Why not? But it's a bit too aggressive. Clone this one. Let's put it here. Well, we have the 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows, W exactly at the breakout. We are pushing higher. Well, a breakout and then a retest at the entry could give us a nice long setup. Why not? If we'll retest the entry, we can get a bot setup. It's a bit too aggressive, but it's there. So we have the conditions. We tested just a bit below 33. We have one low, two lows, three lows. We have some W's, nice ones. Breaking out. Retest of 162 could be a good entry. Okay, now who wants to take this one? It's a bit aggressive. Keep in mind it's Friday. Weekend is close. We are talking about 1 hour chart, so this trade could still be active in the weekend. That will keep your mind occupied with this trade, so maybe you don't want to take it. It's up to you. Guys, if you have questions or something else, please type in the chat and I will gladly answer your question or any request you have. Ticker and the time frame, and I'll take a look. I know it's Friday, not too many people are interested in trading. It's okay. Well, Doge has something nice trying to form here. Stefan, look at Doge. Look at Doge. I don't like the fact that it's at 61.8 here. It's just at 61.8. We are back below the trend line. That nice W trying to form here. And again, for a bot setup, it's at limit. Why? Because I think we tested 66. Let's see. Not this one, this one. Yeah, we can see we are below 66, so we cannot think about a bot setup. But if Bitcoin will hold the level, this one could hold. If Bitcoin will break back down, this one will do an AB equals CD to the downside. And not too much consolidation to work on. So I could easily see AB equals CD to the downside if Bitcoin will break some levels. Just look at this one, clone. Well, it's there. Ugly to trade close to this trend line. Usually it will be up and down, up and down. Fat, well, I don't see a setup. I need to zoom out on 4-hour chart because that will give me a better overview. Well, it's a bit too risky to take a short and too high to take a long. Nothing here. AB equals CD, but it's too late for us. Nothing we can do here. Dimension. We had a W with bullish divergence, I think. Yeah, we had bullish divergence on MACD. And that's it. Still, we are fading the trend if you are trying to buy here or to long. But yeah, we can look at pay attention to this one. We have a nice W here, breakout retest, holding pretty nice for the moment. But keep in mind, if you take a long here, you are fading the trend and it's a clear trend. Yeah, 4-hour chart, it's a clear fucking trend, downtrend. So you are fighting that if you are taking anything. Alt, we spoke about. Let's see if we'll hold or not. Pixel, no, not a clear W here. Manta, well, Manta it's weak. If we'll push in the long reload zone on higher time frame and then we'll form a W, but for the moment it's weaker than the rest. You just look at it. And, I don't like it. We have this one in the market. Jupiter, well, it's stronger than the rest, but I don't have properly a setup there. Let it break out and then at the retest maybe we can frame something. I don't like to trade that one. Aevo, well, on 4-hour chart I think we have. Yeah, we took the first W. Will hold or not? Well, that was the plan. 4-hour daily W to take it, hoping for a high risk to reward. If not, it's not the case, I'll take a stop loss. I will say thank you and next boss. Land, well, nothing to do there. And Joe, I don't have a W on Joe. It's just, I think it's okay to dollar cost averaging on Joe and in the long reload zone, close to 78.6. That's always a good idea to take some nibbles there. But for a trade, I don't see it. You said something about CAS. Let's take a look at CAS, Stefan. Well, I'll look at Binance on 4-hour chart. Well, I don't see a trade neither here. It's in the middle of nowhere, triangle breakout kind of strategy. I don't like it, you know that. So no, it's in the middle of nowhere. I don't like it. Could go up, could go down. You know how they say. And because it's Friday, no. I'll focus on Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin will do. Well, it's testing the short reload zone again. So I don't know, 15-minute chart kind of idea. That will be my play here. You can see is testing the short reload zone. If you want to play the mountain man, okay. If you want to wait for an AM here, okay. If you want to play the shark, even better. Look at candle body close, candle body highs here for a 78.6. If we'll reach that level, we have a location for a scalper, for a day trader, for a short, but nothing more than that. Let's see, slow and steady. I don't see any requests. I don't see anyone asking anything. Guys, if you have something, please type in the chat. I'm here. We have 10 minutes more for this live stream, so I'll gladly take a look if it's anything. On the calendar, well, Friday you can see a Fed will speak, and we have some news in Euro and the London session, but nothing big. Nothing about that. Genius, well, I want below $2. If I'll reach that, will reach that level, okay, I'll buy. If not, then I'll just wait. I have a free bag. Everyone should have a free bag now, because I said it here, buy, and I said sell half on a double, get free coins, and you don't care anymore. I'll reload if the market will touch $2 again. The rest of them, Satoshi is the same kind of idea, and a lot of altcoins, yeah, a lot of meme coins, altcoins, they look really nice. When is still strong. I want it lower. Someone asked me about when. Well, it's still strong here. It could bounce, yeah, it could bounce. It's from 78.6 if we take the entire area here. So yeah, you have location on it. And yeah, we can W out and push higher. I'll do something here. Well, not quite. I'll wait for lower levels. We have a lot of when, so I'm okay with that. I know a lot of people say, well, why you are looking at these ones now? Well, now is the right moment to look at them, not when they are at the all-time high. If you like something, go and take and buy some, or put some limit orders if you can here. Yeah, Satoshi again. We bought it here, we sold in the top, we sold a lot of it. We have a free bag. Now it's back in the same area. Well, don't ask me when will be above $10 where to buy this one, because it's promising. You heard the influencer talking about it. Try to nibble here or below, but keep in mind we are still 10 times higher than when we started this one. Well, it's up to you, but still 10 times higher than when we started. Okay, I don't see any questions. I don't see anything special. So let's, it's Friday, kind of a weekend thing. For me, still a busy day. We have the London session, New York session, and then at the end I'll have the review on Capo 1. Review the trades for the Capo 1 people. So, see you Sunday and the weekly crypto review. Monday morning with the same video, or if you are a premium member, later in the day in the New York session. See you guys.